Hello and welcome to another session, and here we have a special little surprise, a Bulova surprise actually, and the presentation of this package is really amazing to see here. You can see it's wrapped in like a gift. Yes, it's just that it's a gift for myself. So we will take a look on this one. So let's begin here by unwrap this one. Maybe my special glove to open now. Let's see if I can release this one. So let's see what we have here. Oh. Can we move it? Here we have something. Right, let's take a look. Should have noted they also sent some candy here. What a wonderful presentation. I think it's the first time I'm buying a new watch actually. So what a wonderful presentation with some candy also. These logos are great. Nice. So let's take a look here. What do we have here? Oh my. Wow. Here we have something. Get that. Oh my. Bulova Lunar Pilot 50th Anniversary Edition. Just a look at this wonderful, really wonderful box also. The presentation itself is really nice. This is really something for the collector. And I think, if I remember correctly, these are numbered to 5,000 examples out there. Nice. I really like this one, and the dial and everything. It's a watch of my taste. Nice. Well, what a wonderful piece of watch and history. It is important to remember that Omega Speedmaster wasn't the only one in the game when it comes to the as a moon watch. I mean, Speedmaster Moonwatch was selected, including Accutron. And as far as I know, according to research, is that Bulova wasn't really the primary choice, but the Accutron timing instruments made their way to onto the 46 official NASA missions. So I think that's very fascinating. And when it comes to this, August 2, 1971, Bulova actually finally got the title Moonwatch when David R. Scott wore Bulova chronograph reference 88510/01 on the lunar surface. And actually, he wore it because as it was his backup watch, because the crystal on his Speedmaster came off during an earlier moonwalk. So to the NASA log, it is recorded exactly this. These words are from the NASA log from the original watch, which you can see on the photo now. But here is, he said that I noticed that the crystal of my Omega had popped off sometime during the EVA. Therefore, on EVA 3, I used my backup watch, and therefore he took his Bulova chronograph reference 88510/01 watch, and that's when Bulova earned the title as a moon watch. So, well, the original watch got sold 2015 for more than $1.6 million, and that's very understandable. So it's cool that Bulova made a special edition watch, and just the fact that this has 5,000 copies. I remember when I ordered it, I ordered it on one page, and 5 days later it was said that it was and they didn't have it in stock, so they canceled the order. Then I had to find another place where it was in order. So if you want to get a hold of this, I think you need to hurry up, because they are selling quite fast, according to my research on the internet. So if you want to have a piece of history, then it's time to act. So this Bulova 50th anniversary Lunar Pilot limited edition really captures the spirit of the original watch worn on the moon by replicating the design. Even though this one is a quartz movement, and of course the original were a mechanical one, but this is a quartz movement with a battery. Yeah, so it's very cool. And this is titanium, from what I see, and I feel a little bit. I think Bulova should have made some of parts here with 24 karat gold, not gold plating instead. So this is gold plated, I think, of this one. But I find it rather cool anyway. You can take a look on it. And it feels really good to wear it also. So it's cool, and if you take a look on the second hand also, and if you take a look on the original photo, you can see that that also looks very similar in many cases, even though the case of this one is titanium, and the other one was not titanium, but I think it's pretty cool anyways. Well, so a conclusion is very nice. So let's go through details in this watch while observing it, so we can really say that this case is a titanium, and titanium does not contain any additives such as nickel and lead, and it's very suitable also for people that has allergies and stuff like that, and it doesn't cause any adverse reaction with the skin. It's very good and it's very hard, of course. It's titanium, it's color stable and very lightweight. So what more can we say about this watch? It is the case material is supposed to be stainless steel. It's a very durable material, and that theoretically cannot be destroyed. So that's nice. It is also resistant to fresh and salt water. The movement battery in this one is battery, of course. Strap material leather, and I really like this strap. I heard there are black ones also for this. Not sure, but that's why I read before. So limited edition, special production. which is a special production lot of watches of limited quantity distributed all over the world. Each piece is unique and usually by having an embossed numerical designation, which is the serial number. Most are also available with a special limited packaging. So, the stopwatch measurement accuracy of 1/10 of a second. The maximum measured time is 60 minutes. And the movements from Bulova personage series feature UHF oscillator, which means ultra high frequency with up to 262 kilohertz, up to 8 times the usual quartz. The benefits of high frequency technology include better clock accuracy and smoother operation of the second hand. Nice. With this is a water resistance of 50 meters or 5 ATM. Watches which are marked with this have water tightness to 50 meters, are designed for incidental contact with water, car wash, rain, but also for surface swimming without diving. So the 50 meter or 5 ATM indicates the degree of water resistance standardized by ISO 2281. ISO tests include temperature changes, depth, pressure, water and air for different times under rest and during manipulation with the operative part of the watch. And then we have the crystal surface of this one. So it's the crystal of this is a sapphire glass in the watch, which was made in laboratory by melting aluminum oxide in the presence of hydrogen and oxygen at 2000 degrees Celsius. After crystallization into the corundum pear, it is cut and further processed into the desired shape and size. Sapphire glass is the hardest glass used in watches. It would be second behind diamond on the scale of mineral hardness, so it can only get scratched by diamond. Its only disadvantage is its fragility, but that's very, very nice. Sapphire, yeah, I know mineral also. I have another watch with mineral glass also, but this is sapphire, which is really nice. That's not that bad. So let's take a look here. If it said that the diameter is 45, so we will take a look here. Without the crown, probably. Okay, so. Oh, I get a little bit problem with this one. Let's see here. 48.1 with the crown. Thickness is supposed to be 13.5. I'm not sure about this one. And that is true. Probably 13.5. This might have some minor error also. So that's very, very nice. This is a pin buckle also. So if you even considering buying this one, you should hurry up, because 5,000 is a very limited number. Well, after all, we come to this very nice conclusion about the watches overall, and why some watches become more popular and some not. It's really up to that watches become legends by playing critical roles in important events. While this is not the first watch on the moon, it's still a very, very impressive watch, and Scott wore this model, his own personal watch, speaks the very volume of Bulova's position at time. That's what I think also. And inside this aviation community, the brand was well regarded. Bulova's horological history is very often overlooked, and possible because the watch lacks a mechanical soul and instead uses a tuning fork mechanism. But its watches were inextricably tied to some of America's most important aeronautical and astronomical pursuits. So, I think this watch is one piece of amazing watch, and it has history, and with all that comes, it looks really good. So I recommend it. If you have a chance to it and want to own a piece of history, go and buy it. Or it really fits well, I think, on small wrist too. I don't have a big wrist, but I like it. It feels really good. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.